Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video. So today we'll go through, Renko charts and what are Renko charts and how these Renko charts could be used in trading and how did these Renko charts came into being and how Renko charts have a problem of repainting. How this repainting can be removed in Renko charts. So that's the topic for today. So let's go through it. So Renko charts are a type of price action only chart. So they only depict the price action only, and these charts were developed in Japan. Unlike candlestick or bar charts, which plot based on time intervals, Renko charts are based solely on price movement. Okay, so in candlestick we have both the price and the time, and both the price and the time is used to plot the candlesticks. But in Renko chart, it's only price. They are solely based on price movement only. And they have bricks. So each brick or block is added when a price moves a fixed amount. You can put that fixed amount based on your, uh, yeah, for that particular asset, what is the correct brick size, you can decide and put it. For example, here is 10 rupees is one brick size, or $1 is a brick size or a block size. So time is not a factor in Renko charts. One brick may represent 1 second or 3 hours depending on the market movement. Okay. So for suppose if the price is at 100, and you put a 10 rupees brick, and so it may take the price to move from 100 to 110 either 1 second or 3 hours. So when it does, then only that brick will form. Okay. So time is not a factor in Renko charts, and it's a purely price action only chart, unlike candlestick charts. Okay, so what are the advantages of these Renko charts? So I'll show you how Renko charts look like before we go into advantages. So this is how Renko charts look like. This is Renko chart in TradingView. This is on 1 minute. I have put these Renko charts. So this is for Nifty, this is for Bank Nifty, and this is for S&P Sensex. So this is how we can put Renko charts. We can select the time, 1 minute interval, and Renko charts here. So if you see here, you have different charts, right? Candle stick charts and area, HLC, and everything. And then there is a Renko chart here. So you select Renko, then Renko charts will appear in TradingView. So once you select the Renko charts, then the other thing you need to do is open. Yeah, you need to set the brick size for that. So this I opened the Renko chart for Nifty. So if you see, there is source. Source has different things. It has close, open, high, low. So if close is selected. That basically makes sure that the brick is formed. Okay, so that's when the Renko block will form. So source is a close, and box size, you can put different box sizes are there. One is ATR. ATR could be used, average true range could be used for the box size. Then it automatically selects the average true range and prints the bricks. You can select traditional and or percentage LTP. So percentage LTP is like last traded price percentage, 1% of it you could put as or 2% of it you could put as the brick size. So traditional, if you put this is 5, I put the box size, just for example. Okay, so that like that you need to put the box sizes. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty. So I put 20 as the box size here. Okay, and I selected traditional in everything, but it's not necessary that you select traditional. You could either select the ATR or the percentage LTP also, and based on your risk tolerance, you can select the brick size. Okay, so that's how these Renko charts look. And what is the advantages of these Renko charts is clear direction they'll give you. So if you are a newcomer to the market and you're struggling to find the trend in the market, these Renko charts will help you to find the trend very clearly. They are like very clear. You see, this is a downtrend. Easily you can identify in Renko charts. Whereas in candlestick charts, it's not so clear, but in Renko charts, it will be very clear. So you can see Bank Nifty is trending upwards today. So like that, you can easily find the trend. Yeah. So that's what Renko charts are, and this is how they look. There are bricks here, and the bricks will form only after that box size is uh, price moves based on that box size that is specified. Three types of things you can put: ATR you can put as a box size, or traditional you can use some number, and a percentage of LTP you can put. Okay, so this is how Renko is there. I think this will come only when you buy the premium version. I have a premium version, so that's why I'm able to access this. Okay, so let's go back to the theory again. So yeah, what is Renko chart? Key features of Renko charts are databases only. Only price is considered, not time. Okay, and structure is bricks are used, which are stacked diagonally, and same size bricks are used. So and directional clarity. So this is the main thing. You will have strong visual trends. Less noise will be there, and visual trends will be very clearly visible by using Renko charts, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend or it's a retracement. You can easily find using this Renko charts, and that's what it's used for, directional clarity. Okay, and trend confirmation. So trend confirmation, you will have clear signals than the standard candlestick charts in Renko charts. Okay. Example of Renko in trading: you can set a Renko chart for Nifty with 10 rupees as brick size. Okay, so if the price rises by 10 rupees, one green brick will be added. If price falls by 10 rupees, one red brick will be added. So no new bricks will be formed if price fluctuates less than 10 rupees. So only when the price moves 10 rupees above, then one green brick will form. So if you see here, so green brick is formed here because the price is rising. Okay, and only when the price falls by a certain number that you give, then only the red bricks will form. Okay. Use cases, yeah, you can use this once because it's easy to identify the trend and the direction of the market, and you're trading based only on price change. So you can use entry on first green brick after red to green switch. So the market is red, completely red, so retracement red, retracement red. Okay, so then you saw like two to three green bricks here. Then you can put a stop loss at the bottom and trade, considering it as a bullish reversal. Okay, and you can exit after put a stop loss, or and you can exit. Okay, on TradingView or Zero the Kite, switching from 5 minute candlestick to Renko helps eliminate fake breakouts. So other than trend direction, Renko also helps you to eliminate fake breakouts in sideways markets like Bank Nifty. So fake breakouts also it helps to eliminate. So one of the example how you can trade, if you see, so here there's a sell signal, so you can sell here, sell. Okay, you can stay in that sell signal, and okay, like that you can stay. So red, 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 red. Okay, so like this. So once it turns like here, okay, so three or four green candles are formed. You can take a buy position here. So that's a trend reversal. Okay, and in choppy markets, sideways markets, it allows you to even get rid of fake breakouts. That's the advantage of Renko charts. So how Renko helps in trading? Noise reduction is there, so eliminates minor price fluctuations and makes trend more visible. Okay, so trend is more visible. Clear entries and exits are there. Bricks are either up or down, easy to follow it. Okay, and trend following, it's very ideal for swing and intraday trading. With some indicators, you can use extra indicators like MACD, RSI, super trend. You could use to follow the trend. Scalp trading also we can use Renko for, effectively used when with small brick sizes on fast assets. So scalping you can use it, trend following you can use it both intraday and swing trading. You can use additional indicators MACD, RSI. Clear entry exit it will help you, and noise reduction also it will reduce it. So what is repainting in Renko charts? So repainting happens when the last brick is not confirmed, but it appears, but vanishes if price doesn't hold the move. Okay. So Nothing is happening right now, but I could have showed you how repainting happens. Let us see. Okay, so we are here. What will happen is some bricks will form like this. Okay, some bricks will form like this, but they'll not form completely. They'll just form like a preview. Okay, so preview of the bricks will be formed, and yeah, so that's what. And once if the price doesn't reach that 10 rupees or whatever block size you have kept, they will disappear. So that's what repainting is. Yeah, I think market is still now, so that's why we're not able to see. But that's what repainting is. Okay, let's wait for some time. It's taking some time to load. In the meanwhile, you can use other indicators like here I have used the super trend. You can enter. One super trend turns green, you can enter. Okay, uh, or you can use some moving averages, or you could use 5 EMA. Once 5 EMA it broke, then you can enter. Such strategies you could follow. Trend will be very clear in this Renko charts. So that's what repainting is. So repainting is basically last brick is not confirmed. Okay, and it gives you a preview, but again it disappears when the price doesn't hold that move. Okay, so that's what repainting is. It appears, the last brick appears, but vanishes if price doesn't hold the move. So example is a new green brick appears, but price falls back and brick disappears. Happens only on the latest brick because it's not yet fixed. Only on the latest brick this repainting happens, not on the previous bricks or the bricks which are already formed. How do you reduce or remove repainting in Renko charts? Yeah, I showed you that, right? The close, where you had open, high, low, close, and close within the trading view. You select close as the price basis. So once you do that, then set these Renko charts to build bricks based on close prices, not high, low. That ensures removing the repainting, and this also ensures new bricks are added only after bar closes. You can also use ATR Renko. So ATR Renko, this calculates the bricks based on average true range or smoothing, and it reduces flicker. Or you can use Hekenashi Renko also, and you can switch to smaller time frames like 1 second, 5 second. You can switch to, and once you switch to 1 second or 5 second, also you will get real time confirmation. Faster updates will be there, and quicker confirmation of actual bricks would be there. Uh, Okay, so switching to smaller time frames you could do, or you could use ATR Renko or close price basis. You could put the price basis as close to reduce the repainting in Renko charts. Another advanced thing that you could do to reduce the repainting in Renko charts is use shadow candle theory. So shadow candle theory is a shadow brick or a ghost brick appears, okay, but it's not counted until price sustains. So we told, right, the last brick, it gives you a preview, but it can again disappear also. So that's what a shadow brick is. It's a ghost brick, the preview that appears, right? So that's what is a shadow brick. uh, we should not count it until that brick is formed or price sustains. So that's what and shadow candle theory. So treat these unconfirmed bricks as previews only, and not as real bricks, and trade only once brick is validated by next close. So what will this help you to do is visually detect false bricks, and you don't act on them. You'll only act once the brick is formed. So these are all the different theories that are there to reduce the repainting in Renko charts. Use close price, or use ATR Renko, switch to smaller time frames, or use shadow cattle theory. Yeah. So summary is Renko chart is non-time based. It's only a price action chart. It's ideal for swing, intraday, and trend following traders. It is the best tool. You could follow the trend very easily with this charts, noiseless charts. Okay, best use is you will have a clear entry exit, and the trend filters you will have. Repainting issues are there in Renko charts, but it's only for the last brick. That last unconfirmed brick can vanish, but you only trade once it is formed. Okay, based on your setup, whether a super trend break or a EMA break, or based on that setup you trade. Fix for repainting, you can use close based Renko, smaller time frames, shadow candle theory you could use. Example assets on which this Renko charts could be used are Bank Nifty, I showed you, Reliance, Apple, this could be used on stocks also, FTSE 100. Platforms are TradingView, we showed you. These are also there in Zerodha, MetaTrader, Think or Swim. Renko charts are there. So final thoughts are Renko charts are powerful, simplified price visualization charts, and they can enhance almost any strategy if repainting is controlled. And using smaller time frames, it is a best tool to do trend following trading and identify trend with less noise. And you could shift to uh, control the repainting. You could use a lot of things like use smaller time frames, shadow candle filters, and close price you could use, ATR Renko you could use. So this will help the new traders to easily identify the trade and do trading. So that's Renko charts, guys, and how what are they, where they are formed. So they are formed in Japan, and what are the features of these Renko charts, and how it helps the traders, and how repainting in Renko charts could be reduced. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.